Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new here, please don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, so you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want you guys to know, you already know, that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. I don't know how I came up with that or why that ended up being how I'm doing this intro, but I'm rolling with it because I feel like it fits me. This place is actually really close to where I live, so I'm not going to be doing a maps for it, but I will talk about the area a little bit. So this place is 1000 South Broadway. I will say the name because it's going to be in the title and everything. These apartments, I would say, are in a pretty good location. I think living on Broadway is a really great street to live on. There are so many really awesome like little mom and pop shops, boutiques, thrift stores, bookshops. There are a lot of different restaurants that are also pretty unique and different from each other. There's like a fish and chips place. I feel like a lot of people are always there when I drive by. There's Wake and Bake, which that place is pretty good. But across from the apartments themselves, you have a light rail station. I don't know the name of the light rail station, but I know it's there, and it's 3 stops from that one to downtown. Not a far trip to downtown if you don't have a car and you work in the city, or if you're going out for the night or whatever it may be. Not only that, there's a Sprouts literally, I want to say like 2 blocks away. And if you do have a car and you do have to commute, you are literally right next to I-25. Well, it depends where you're going downtown, but I would say it's a 5 to 10 minute drive to downtown. The apartments themselves are really nice. I toured 4 units in this apartment for you guys, and they're all 1 bedrooms, but they're all different layouts. So you get to see different layouts. So you do have like an ash kind of colored floor. I want to say it's laminate flooring. Really easy cleanup. There's carpet in the bedrooms, so if you have a pet or if that's a concern for you, this probably won't be it, but carpet in the bedroom and nowhere else is really not a big deal for me. All of the kitchen areas, it depends on the unit that you get, but you can have either white quartz countertops or gray countertops, or white cabinets, or I want to say gray cabinets, or they like kind of match the floor a little bit more. All of the units were newly renovated this last year. They all have brand new stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. They all have full-size washers and dryers, and some are in the closet, some are in a different part of the apartment. I guess it just depends on the unit that you decide to rent. And something that I did want to point out as well that was kind of weird to me, I'd never seen it before, and I don't know that it's really necessary. You guys let me know down below what you think of this, but in the bar, like in the island counters, they had holes. So if you were charging like your phone or something like that, you could stick the cord through your phone. Or through the hole and like have easier access. I don't think it's that necessary. I think it was kind of weird, honestly. Like if you're gonna sit there and eat, now you have this like, I don't know. I see it being an issue. That would be the only thing that I didn't like about these apartments though. Everything else was really great, like really good. The kitchen backsplash is like a light gray color, really pretty. It kind of seems a little bit matte, but there was some shine there for sure. All of the living rooms are pretty big in size. I would say you can fit a decently sized couch, coffee table, rug, TV stand, all of that in all of the living rooms that we saw. They didn't skip out on space in any of the rooms. Like honestly, it feels like everything is very evenly spread out within all of these units. They feel really big. I don't know if it's because there's nothing in there, but they feel huge. Like they don't feel like they're 730 square feet. That's 100 less than what I have right now. And it feels the same size, if not bigger. So I don't know. I really don't know. The bedrooms are huge. I honestly fully think that you could fit kings in all of these rooms that I saw today, all of them. And something that I also really like for the 1 bedrooms at least, I'm not sure about the 2 bedrooms, but for all of the 1 bedrooms that I saw, you have access to your balcony from your bedroom and the living room. So I feel like that's really nice because if you're in your room and you want to go outside for a breath of fresh air, you don't have to come out of your room. You can just like go onto the balcony, or if you're in your living room and your balcony's in your room, you don't have to go to your room or whatever. I really like that. Not only that, but all of the balconies on the units that had them that I saw, they were really big balconies. Who doesn't love a big balcony, right? I mean, you can literally fit a grill out there if they'll let you. At my apartment, they do, which I found out like from people who moved in when this place was first built. Apparently, the place that I live, I heard that it's a death trap. It's built mainly with wood. All of the units, as far as I noticed, had just a regular garden bathtub shower combo thing. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but the backsplash does not go all the way up to the ceiling. That is something that I find very annoying now that I've been noticing things like that. I'm like, I can't not notice it. And then obviously just the standard toilet and stuff like that. Even though things are renovated, I still feel like the sinks in the restroom and maybe even the toilet looks a little bit older. So I don't know if still some things are being changed or if they're leaving it like that, but that's just, you know, something that I noticed. I'm not complaining about it or anything. Same cabinetry and countertops in the restroom, and then you have a tiny medicine cabinet, which is nice, but it is tiny. But not all apartments have medicine cabinets. For example, mine does not, so that is something that is nice. Something that I haven't given you guys in a while are the fees. So let's go over some fees today. At the time of application fee $19 per applicant over the age of 18, standard holding deposit $200. Additional deposit may be due at time of move-in depending on credit check. Total due, one applicant $219, two applicants $238, and three applicants $257. At the time of move-in, prorated base rent, prorated parking, prorated pet rent, pet fee if applicable, admin fee $210, additional deposits if applicable, $10 utility transfer fee. Additional deposits, base rent, and holding fees may not be due depending on applicable specials provided to you at the time of application. Billed alongside rent, monthly water, sewer, trash, community gas, electric, pest control based on building usage, square footage, and number of occupants. Monthly estimated utilities, including all utilities listed above: a 1-bedroom, $120, a 2-bedroom, $150, a 3-bed, 2-bath, $200. Parking. I actually really like their fees for parking. This is the cheapest place that I've found for parking. They have $5 rooftop parking, which if you don't care about like weather and stuff like that, that's definitely worth it. However, I do want to say they do use Park M, so it's 5 plus 5. So it's $10 a month for parking on the roof, and the covered parking within the garage is $30 plus the $5, so $35. Premium parking, which is like next to doors and exits and stuff like that, is $65 with that. It's $65 in total. Pet rent for one pet is $35, pet fee $300, pet deposit $100. For two pets, $65, pet fee $500, pet deposit $200. Storage and bike storage units, storage is $45 a month per unit, and bike storage is free. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other units and all of the amenities. I've been talking for a minute, but to close out the video really quick, I want to thank you guys so much for coming back to today's video. I really appreciate you guys doing that and clicking that button down below, subscribing and liking this video, because we're homies and you want to be here as much as I want to be here. And we're ignoring my brows. I will see you guys on Saturday for, I don't know what video yet, but we'll figure it out at some point during the week. Okay, bye.